The new product fingerprint lock adds waterproof design to make it suitable for outdoor use without fear of rain. It uses microSP interface and the input voltage is DC 5 voltage. Before entering any fingerprint, it can be unlocked with any fingerprint. Press and hold the fingerprint identification area until the blue light is on, indicating that the fingerprint can be entered. Two fingerprints need to be entered for the first time. It can learn 10 fingerprints. The first and second fingerprints are administrator fingerprints. The third 10th fingerprints are the fingerprints of ordinary users. It adds the function of More Password. The default More Password is 33. Press and hold the fingerprint identification area until the white light is on, indicating that the More Password can be entered. When the green light is on, enter the first mole password. At this point, I enter 5. The blue one lights up and enters the second mole password. At this point, I enter 2. Now, you can unlock it with more code, and restore the fingerprint lock to the factory state at the same time. Press and hold the fingerprint identification area until the red light is on. Confirm the administrator's fingerprint and restore the factory settings. Now it is a waterproof test. It can still be used normally after soaking in water. Now for the charging demonstration, we need to prepare the power supply. Of course, we also have another takeout. Output voltage DC 5 voltage. Or you can use the USB interface on your computer to charge.
If you want to know more about Kero products, please subscribe to us.